Hi and welcome to Inspire Christmas. To begin with, for today's activity, your learners will not need an iPad, as we're going to look at some vocabulary expansion and a memory game using Keynote. To begin with, discuss what each of the Christmas objects on the board are called. There are 10 in total. When you're finished having your discussion, try to begin to remember the 10 objects. You might visualise where they are on the screen, you might remember the colours, or you might say the words over and over again. Pause the video and spend a little bit of time trying to remember the 10 objects. Now that you've remembered your objects, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. Close them tight and no peeking. When you open them, one object will have disappeared. Keep your eyes closed. Open your eyes. Which object has disappeared? That's right. It was the Christmas tree. Close your eyes again and a different object will disappear this time. Keep them closed. Don't peek. Open your eyes. Which object has disappeared? That's right, it's a snowflake. This time, more than one object will disappear. Close your eyes again. Open your eyes. First of all, you may wish to count how many objects are left. If we start at the glove, there's 1, snowman 2, star 3, Christmas tree 4, reindeer 5, candy cane 6 and snowflake 7. I know that 7 and 3 is 10, so there are 3 objects missing. Can you think what they are? I'm going to reveal the answer now. Watch what comes back. The hat, the bell and the gift. This is your last turn now. Close your eyes. When you open them, half of the objects will be missing. Keep them closed. Open them. There are 5 objects remaining and 5 objects missing. Pause the video if you want to discuss which ones are gone. I'm going to tap my screen now to make them come back. Well done if you've got that right. As a challenge, your teacher may wish to now turn the screen off and see if you can go and draw all 10 Christmas objects. You may wish to try and write the words too. If you have a class who you feel would manage to create this activity, please continue to watch. Or if you, as a practitioner, would like to continue and see how to create this activity, continue watching. To make this simple Kim's game, I started by opening Keynote and creating a new presentation. Tap the text boxes to delete them. Go to the paintbrush, go to background and choose a colour for your background. Go to shapes and begin to search for the shapes that you like. If you were doing a new topic, you could insert images from the internet to learn vocabulary. Because a snowman is white, it will show up on the purple background rather than having the white background. There's my snowflake. I just tap and drag. There's a snowman as well. And there was a glove. And I'm going to use the skier. For this demonstration, I'm just going to use 5 objects, but you could add as many or as few as you like. Tap each one and make them a good size. You may then choose to format them. Tap the shape, use a paintbrush Use fill and select a colour of your choice. The next step is to duplicate your slide. I'm going to duplicate it so that I have 6 identical slides. Actually, I'm going to do 7 so that we complete it with them all back. You'll see what I mean as we get through it. In the first slide, you would have all 5 objects. In the second slide, you may choose to delete 1 or 2. The third slide, you want them all there as it reveals the answer. Slide 4, delete a different object. You may choose to do 1 or more. Slide 5, you want it to reappear. Slide 6, remove your objects. And then slide 7, you have them all back. To preview this or to share it with your class, press the play button. As you tap through, the objects will disappear and reappear as you go from slide to slide. A nice little tool for working on memory, for extended vocabulary, and for your children to create their own games. I hope you enjoy it.